What's something people don't know about pasta salad? It's all about the shapes and flavors. Choosing the right pasta is key. Go for hearty shapes like penne, fusilli, rotini, or farfalle, the bow ties. These shapes trap the dressing and cheese like pros. Orzo and pearl couscous. Also excellent options if you're feeling fancy. Veggies are where the magic happens. Cherry tomatoes, bell peppers, zucchini. Trust me on this one. And green onions are your MVPs. They add color, flavor, and crunch. Now let's talk cheese. Fresh mozzarella and parmesan are unbeatable. Shredded parmesan almost melts into the dressing. Going vegan? No worries, just skip the cheese. Don't forget olives. Kalamata or green olives bring that briny bite. And pepperoncini peppers? Their flavor is fantastic, and a splash of their brine in the dressing is a game changer. Finally, fresh herbs like basil and parsley. Experiment and find your perfect combo. There you have it, the best pasta salad ever. Time to dig in.